Artificial intelligence is changing our world. It is like giving machines a brain. These machines can learn and solve problems. In healthcare, AI is becoming very important. It can help doctors and improve patient care. AI is already used in many areas of medicine. It helps analyze medical images and diagnose diseases. AI can also personalize treatment plans for patients. The use of AI in pharmacies is still growing, but it has the potential to revolutionize how we get our medicines. Imagine a pharmacy where robots dispense medicines. This is what AI can make possible. AI can automate many tasks in a pharmacy. This frees up pharmacists to focus on patient care. AI can improve the accuracy of dispensing medications. It can also reduce waiting times for patients. AI can help pharmacists manage inventory more efficiently. This ensures that patients always have access to the medications they need. One of the most promising applications of AI in pharmacies is automated dispensing. Imagine a machine that can prepare and dispense your medication. You input your prescription, and the machine does the rest. This technology is already being used in some hospitals. It can improve safety and efficiency. Robots can work 24/7 without getting tired. They can handle a large volume of prescriptions quickly and accurately. Accuracy is crucial in pharmacy. Even a small error in dispensing medication can have serious consequences. AI can help minimize these risks. AI systems can check for drug interactions and allergies. They can also ensure that the correct dosage is dispensed. This level of precision can improve patient safety. It can also reduce medication errors and their associated costs. AI can help pharmacists provide safer and more reliable care to their patients. Section 5. No more waiting in line. AI for efficiency. Waiting in line at the pharmacy can be, well, pretty frustrating, but AI can help streamline the process and reduce waiting times. AI-powered systems can manage prescriptions electronically, which, eliminates the need for paper prescriptions. Patients can order refills and track their prescriptions online, saving time and reducing the burden on pharmacy staff. And AI can also optimize inventory management, ensuring that medications are available when patients need them. Section 6. The Data Dilemma. Security and ethical concerns in AI-driven healthcare. While AI offers many benefits, it also raises important ethical and security concerns. The integration of AI in healthcare has the potential to revolutionize patient care, diagnostics, and treatment plans. However, with these advancements come significant challenges that must be addressed to ensure the safety and privacy of patients. AI systems rely on vast amounts of data. This data is often sensitive and personal, including medical histories, genetic information, and other private details. The sheer volume of data required for AI to function effectively raises questions about how this data is collected, stored, and used. Protecting patient privacy is crucial. In an era where data breaches are becoming increasingly common, ensuring that patient information remains confidential is a top priority. Healthcare providers must implement robust security measures to safeguard this data from unauthorized access and cyber threats. Pharmacies need to ensure that patient data is stored securely. This involves using encrypted databases and following strict data security protocols. Any lapse in security can lead to severe consequences, including identity theft, financial loss, and damage to the patient's trust in the healthcare system. There are also concerns about bias in AI algorithms. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. If the training data contains biases, the AI system can perpetuate and even amplify these biases, leading to unfair treatment of certain patient groups. AI systems are trained on data, and if the data is biased, the AI system can perpetuate those biases. This can result in misdiagnoses, unequal access to treatment, and other disparities in healthcare. It is essential to ensure that the data used to train AI systems is representative and free from bias. It is important to address these ethical concerns to ensure that AI is used responsibly in healthcare. This includes developing guidelines and standards for AI use, conducting regular audits to detect and correct biases, and fostering a culture of transparency and accountability. By doing so, we can harness the power of AI to improve healthcare outcomes while safeguarding the rights and privacy of patients. Section 7 AI in Action. Real-world examples of smart pharmacies. In this section, we will explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the pharmacy industry, making it more efficient, personalized, and effective. From patient care to inventory management, AI is transforming every aspect of pharmacy operations. Several pharmacies are already using AI to improve patient care. These advanced systems can assist pharmacists in providing more accurate and personalized care to their patients. By leveraging AI, pharmacists can spend more time consulting with patients and less time on administrative tasks. For example, some pharmacies use AI to personalize medication recommendations. This means that the AI system can analyze a patient's medical history, current medications, and even genetic information to suggest the most effective treatment options. This level of personalization can lead to better patient outcomes and fewer adverse reactions. AI can analyze a patient's medical history and identify potential drug interactions. This is particularly important for patients who are taking multiple medications, as it can be challenging for pharmacists to manually check for all possible interactions. AI systems can quickly and accurately identify any potential issues, ensuring patient safety. Other pharmacies use AI to manage their supply chains. This involves using AI algorithms to predict which medications will be needed and when, ensuring that the pharmacy is always well stocked. This not only improves efficiency, but also reduces waste and ensures that patients have access to the medications they need when they need them. This ensures that they have the right medications in stock. By using AI to monitor inventory levels and predict future needs, pharmacies can avoid both overstocking and stockouts. This leads to better resource management and improved patient satisfaction. AI is also being used to develop new drugs and therapies. Researchers are using AI to analyze vast amounts of data, identify potential drug candidates, and even predict how new drugs will interact with the human body. This can significantly speed up the drug development process and lead to the discovery of new treatments for various diseases. These real-world examples demonstrate the transformative potential of AI in pharmacy. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in the pharmacy industry, ultimately leading to better patient care, more efficient operations, and new medical breakthroughs. Section 8. Pharmacies of the Future. A glimpse into 2045. In the next 10 to 20 years, AI will likely transform pharmacies completely. Imagine walking into a pharmacy where the atmosphere is serene, the lights are dimmed to a calming hue, and the air is filled with a subtle, soothing scent. This is not just a dream, but a reality we are heading towards. The integration of AI technology in healthcare is set to revolutionize the way we perceive and interact with pharmacies. We can expect to see fully automated pharmacies. These pharmacies will be equipped with state-of-the-art robotic systems that handle everything from inventory management to dispensing medications. The efficiency and precision of these robots will ensure that patients receive their medications quickly and accurately, reducing the chances of human error. These pharmacies might not even have human staff. Instead, they will be staffed by intelligent robots capable of performing complex tasks. These robots will be programmed to handle customer inquiries, provide information about medications, and even offer health advice based on the latest medical research. Robots will dispense medications, and AI systems will manage all aspects of the pharmacy. From keeping track of stock levels to predicting future demand, these AI systems will ensure that the pharmacy operates smoothly and efficiently. They will also be able to identify potential drug interactions and alert patients and healthcare providers in real time. Patients will interact with AI-powered kiosks or mobile apps. These kiosks will be user-friendly and designed to provide a seamless experience. Patients will be able to check their prescription status, get information about their medications, and even consult with a virtual pharmacist through these kiosks. They will receive personalized medication recommendations and reminders. These AI systems will analyze patient data to provide tailored advice and reminders, ensuring that patients adhere to their medication schedules. This personalized approach will help improve patient outcomes and overall health. AI will also play a role in monitoring patient adherence to medication. By tracking health data and medication usage, AI systems will be able to identify patterns and provide insights into patient behavior. This will enable healthcare providers to intervene early and provide the necessary support to ensure that patients stay on track with their treatment plans. Section 9. The AI Revolution. Embracing Change in Healthcare. The AI revolution is coming to healthcare. Pharmacies are at the forefront of this transformation. AI has the potential to improve patient care, enhance efficiency, and reduce costs. It is important to address the ethical and security concerns surrounding AI. By embracing AI responsibly, we can create a future where everyone has access to high-quality, affordable healthcare. The future of pharmacy is smart, automated, and patient-centered.